What is ad viewability and why does it matter? An ad served doesn't necessarily equal an ad viewed, and digital advertisers and publishers are catching into this as the industry shifts towards valuing viewability, an online advertising metric that tracks seen impressions rather than served impressions. For example, if an ad is served at the bottom of the page, but the user does not scroll down to see it, the ad is not counted as a viewable impression. So, what is ad viewability? An impression is considered viewable when it appeared within the user's browser and had the opportunity to be seen. The Interactive Advertising Bureau, IAB, defines a viewable impression as an ad that meets the following criteria. First, for display ads, 50% of the ad's pixels are visible in the browser's window for a continuous 1 second. For larger ads, those greater than 242,000 pixels, 30% of the ad's pixels are visible in the browser's window. For in-stream video ads, 50% of the ad's pixels must be visible in the browser window for a continuous 2 seconds. Why does ad viewability matter? It allows advertisers to determine the ad is seen. If the users view ads less than 50% of the time, the CPM is low for that ad placement. Low viewability will make your ad inventory less valuable to advertisers. This means low revenue. The industry is now focused on viewable impressions rather than served impressions. So how do you measure viewability? In GAM, you can measure viewability through ActiveView. And here's how. Go to your GAM account, go to Reports, click on your report, choose a certain time frame that you want to run your report with, choose the ad units as the dimension, and for the metric, make sure to choose the total ActiveView percentage viewable impressions, and then you run report. So here's the individual viewability score of your ad units and the total viewability score of your entire ad inventory. To know more about tips in increasing your ad viewability, watch out for more videos.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.